Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beer bottle flower vase step by step. Start by collecting bottles, gloves, scraper, sandpaper, and a drill or glass cutter if trimming is needed. Remove labels by soaking in warm soapy water and scraping slowly to avoid scratches. Sand any rough spots and clean with rubbing alcohol. Choose filler like pebbles or marbles for stability, then arrange flowers to balance height and color for a polished look. In this video, I will show how to make beer bottle flower vase step by step. After soaking, peel labels gently and use a plastic scraper or old credit card to avoid glass damage. For sticky glue, rub with cooking oil or rubbing alcohol, then wash with dish soap. Dry thoroughly to prevent water spots. Inspect the bottle for imperfections and sand rough areas lightly for a smooth, safe edge before moving on to decoration and filling. In this video, I will show how to make beer bottle flower vase step by step. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support more simple craft videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I mentioned. It complements cozy decor and music while you create. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make beer bottle flower vase step by step. Decide on a finish, such as spray paint, twine wrap, or simple clear glass for a minimalist look. Place pebbles or marbles inside to anchor stems and prevent tipping. Trim flower stems to varied heights and position larger blooms first, then add filler and greenery for fullness. Rotate the vase to check balance and adjust until the arrangement looks natural and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.